Hello grade 2 students. How are you today? I trust you're doing well. Welcome to the class of math, and we are doing chapter 4, lesson 4.6, two-digit addition. Let's look at the learning objective of this lesson. Our objective for today: record two-digit addition using the standard algorithm. Now let's look at an example of listen and draw on page number 267. So there is this boy. What is his name? His name is Jason. So Jason scored 35 points in one game and 47 points in another game. How many points did Jason score? So we have to find the total number of scores, total number of points that Jason scored. So let's look at how we are going to solve it. What we'll do, we will use quick pictures, okay, of tens and ones. How do you use quick pictures to help you solve this problem? Simple. So like I always say, break the question into half. The first half says Jason scored 35 points. So let's put, how many tens are in 35? 3 tens, very good. And how many ones are in the number 35? 5 ones. Excellent. Now let's look at the second part of the question. Okay, he scored 47 points in another game. Okay, so in 47 has how many tens, children? 4 tens. Excellent. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 7 ones. Alright. Now what we have to do, we have to find the total. Okay. Now in the beginning, I am trying to show you the number 35 and 47 using these two sections. So on top you will see 35 and below you will see 47. How do you show the regrouping in quick pictures? Now we are going to use the ones. Always when you're adding and when you're subtracting, you will always start with the ones. Okay, this is something that you have to remember. Like in social studies, I often tell you, when you look at the map, what are you going to look at? You're going to look at the map key. Okay, so in math, whether you are adding or subtracting, you're looking first at ones. Alright, now how are you going to group the ones together? Here you can see that there are 5 ones that I have put together in the number 47, and I'm going to move these 5 ones to the ones of the number 35. Now I could have also made a 10 for the number 7 in the number 47. Okay, but for easy calculation I thought I will move 5 ones together. Alright, now when this 5 has moved together, what do you get? Let's count these ones. 5 plus 5 gives you a 10. Okay, so we made one 10. Now a 10 has no business in staying in the ones column. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these ones from here and I'm going to place them in the tens column. Okay, and now what am I going to do? I am going to add the total number of tens and ones to find the total. So how many ones do I have now? I have 2 ones and I have, count me the tens. Very good, 8 tens. So I have 8 tens and 2 ones. So the answer is 82 points in all. Jason scored 82 points. I hope this was clear to you, children. Let's move on to share and show. On page number 268, you will see the share and show. And the question is, regroup if you need to and write the sum. Okay. Now once again I would like to remind you, children, when you're adding, you will always begin with ones. Okay. So when you see number 42 plus 29, what are you going to add first? You're looking at the ones and you're going to add 9 and 2 plus. So children, what is 9 plus 2? 9 plus 2 is 11. How are you going to put 11 here? Okay, you cannot put 11 here. You're just going to put 1 here, the ones of the number 11 here, and the tens of the number 11 will go on top. Okay, now then you have to add 4 plus 1 plus 2. And what is 4 plus 1 plus 2? It's 71. Excellent. Now let's look at the second one. Okay, number 31 plus 14. How can you add 31 plus 14? Where are you going to look first? Very good. You're looking at ones. Okay, so 4 plus 1 gives you 5. Children, in this sum you do not have to do regrouping. Why? Because it is less than 10. It's only when you get more than 10 you have to do regrouping. Now let's look at the tens. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now let's look at the third one. Okay, again we are going to look at 27 plus 45, and we are going to focus on the ones. So what is 7 plus 5? 7 plus 5 is 12. Can we write the whole number 12 here? No. We only write the ones in 12, which is 2 ones, and the 110 which is in 12 will be in the tens section. And then we add 4 plus 2 plus 1. Do not forget that you've just borrowed 110. Okay, so 4 plus 2 plus 1 gives you a 7. I hope this is clear for you, children. After you've understood this, you will attempt on your own. Please open page number 269 and complete number 4, 5 and 6 on your own. Once you're done with this, when you come to class, I will have it corrected. Let's look at the Think Smarter question on page number 270. Melissa saw 14 sea lions and 29 seals. How many animals did she see? Write a number sentence to find the total number of animals that she saw. So looking at the first part of the question, children, I want you to know and understand that clearly it's an addition problem and not a subtraction problem, because here it talks about how many animals did she see in all. It does not say that Melissa gave some animals to someone, or Melissa kept some animals away from a set of sea lions. No. So she saw some animals and we want to know the total number of animals that she saw, right? So what number sentence are you going to write, children? You will write 14 plus 29 equal 43. Okay, and how will you explain this? This is how you will explain. I added 14 sea lions and 29 seals to find the total number of animals that Melissa saw. I would like you to complete this on page number 270, which is number 16. Again, this will be checked in class when you come tomorrow. Wasn't that an easy lesson, children? It was a very simple lesson according to me, and in fact it was a very interesting lesson, correct? How do you record the steps when adding 2-digit numbers? Very easy. First, you add the ones. Remember, I've been telling you in this lesson today that you have to focus on the ones first. So first you add the ones. If there are 10 or more ones, you regroup 10 ones as 110. Record the regroup 10 and record the remaining ones in the sum. Then you add the tens and record the tens digit in the sum. Super duper easy, wasn't it? Excellent. That's all for today, children. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and see you soon. Bye bye.